all the SSC CGL profile, today we are going to discuss a very interesting, very high level in a case of your salary, in a case of role and responsibility. This particular post, that is SSC CGL Assistant Audit Officer, also termed as AAO, is going to be described in this particular session. So if you are targeting SSC CGL, don't forget to watch this session at the end. Okay, and so ultimately, first of all, this particular job profile is the Assistant Audit Officer, and it is a very prestigious Group B gazetted officer or gazetted position. That means after attaining this particular position, you will be a gazetted officer, right? Within the Indian, which department? So Indian Audit and Accounts Department, under the CAG, that is a Comptroller and Auditor General of India. So I guess as the name suggests, this particular department is also have a responsibility of audit, have also responsibility of a financials part, right? Now CMO. What are the key responsibilities? So as a AAO, you have to conduct the financial audits of the government departments and agencies. You have to ensure compliances with financial regulation and standards part. Then after preparing detailed audit report and presenting findings, then after advising on financial management also and effective utilization of the resources, right? So these are the major and top notch responsibility as a AAO. Now, because SSC CGL AAO is the highest paid post among the other SSC CGL posts, so the candidate have to go through 2 to 3 months of training just after the joining. The following role and responsibility are part of the SSC CGL AAO job profile, which they perform on a daily basis. Okay, so AAO job profile basically giving you an assistant audit officer or a senior audit officer, assistant in conducting audit in various government and public sector organization, inspecting of audits, submitting the reports of the audit to the reporting head, and reviewing the bill of the employment in the department of TA, LTC, medical allowances, etc. So ultimately, being a AAO, you have to maintain each and everything which is associated with the accounts part. So definitely there should be a different examination you have to follow, especially when you are targeting the AAO part. Now moving to the salary part, the most fascinating part of the SSC CGL AO, because this is the highest level paid job in SSC. So basically this particular job, the basic or the basic pay of this particular post is around 9,300 to this particular part. That means on an average around the net pay of your SSC CGL AO will be around 73,000 something, and once the 8th pay commission will be applicable, definitely it will go above lakh. Okay, so I think if you want a job which is also giving you a higher authority post or giving you a aura and the powers as well as the salary in the government job, this is your ultimate target, ultimate aim, right? So there's some career profile is also we can see in a AO. So year of service required 6 to 10 year, first promotion. You will be promoted as an audit officer. Then after 2 to 4 year, you will be promoted as a senior audit officer. After based on the experience as well as the seniority, you will be promoted as a deputy accountant general, and again as a senior deputy accountant general. Okay, so this is a career graph you can take in a SSC CGL AAO. Now if we see about the examination criteria of this post, so SSC CGL selection process has 2 tier, right? Now the detail is here. First tier 1 examination is for all candidates, as we already know, and in the tier 2 examination, those who have applied for AAO post have to appear for paper 1 and paper 3. Now paper 1 is divided into 3 sections which further consist of 2 modules each. Detail of same here. Section 1 mathematics and reasoning part. Then after your section 2 English, your general awareness, and section 3 is regarding the computer knowledge. Okay, so this is a examination or basically the selection process to be the AAO. So I hope so you got the idea of this particular post, which is the highest paid job among the SSC CGL, all the posts. I hope so you are targeting for the best, and all the very best. Stay tuned on the channel. Thank you.